स्टूडेंट देखिए, लास्ट लेक्चर से आपका टॉपिक चल रहा है वेरियस एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव क्रेडिट इंस्टीट्यूशंस। इसमें हमने इसकी 7 पॉइंट पहले डिस्कस किया था। और नंबर 8, सुटेबल फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव बैंकिंग सिस्टम। देखिए, कोऑपरेटिव बैंकिंग सिस्टम है जी फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर विद ए प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट सोसाइटीज एट द विलेज लेवल। ग्रामीण स्तर पर प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट सोसाइटीज, बी hire financing agencies in the form of central cooperative and state cooperative bank. C. Land development bank for providing long-term credit for agriculture. Such a banking structure is essential and particularly suited for effectively meeting the financial requirement of vast rural areas of the country. Considering the great importance of cooperative banks, particularly in the rural areas, it is not surprising that every committee or commission that has examined the working of cooperative banking system in India has expressed the common view that cooperation remains the best hope of rural India. स्टूडेंट, ये इसके एडवांटेजेस थे। अब इसके बाद इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस आते हैं कोऑपरेटिव बैंक के। देखिए, डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव बैंकिंग सिस्टम। कोऑपरेटिव बैंकिंग सिस्टम एज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट of rural development failed in many respects. The following are the main defects are: number 1, a huge number of PSEs. In rural India became economically non-viable, such as they become financially weak to provide product of credit to the rural producers on time. यानी जो एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट हैं उनको टाइमली क्रेडिट असिस्टेंस नहीं मिल रहा, इससे उनकी जो प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उस पर इफेक्ट पड़ता है। दे स्टार्टेड इनकर लॉसेस कंटिन्यूसली, जिससे कृषक डे बाई डे लॉसेस में जा रहे हैं। नंबर 2, लाइक LDBs, Land Development Bank, several PSEs were also overburdened with bad debt due to the poor recovery rate. पुअर रिकवरी रेट होने की वजह से जो लैंड डेवलपमेंट बैंक हैं या PSEs हैं, तो बैड डेप्ट का बर्डन बढ़ रहा है, यानी NPA। This poor recovery rate of loans made PSEs unable to take fresh loans from DCCBs, since PSEs are directly under DCCBs and DCCBs with SCBs are directly linked with NABARD. Failure of the PSEs were affecting the DCCBs and SCBs. Number 3. Cooperative credit societies were established with an expenditure that they could help rural poor people. It means these societies were under control of some big landowners due to their high political influence and economic power. Hence, these societies could not help the poor, but they helped these rich landowners more in many cases. These big landowners used the funds and another resources to satisfy their own interest. Number 4. Considerable amount of regional disparity was found in the distribution of short term and medium term credit by the cooperative societies. It means loan advanced per member of PSEs was relatively lower in Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal in comparison with Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana. Number 5. PSEs were unable to generate their own funds by mobilizing the rural saving. It means they rather depend heavily on the financial assistance provided by the DCCBs and direct government assistance. These funds were not treated as their own by the member of PSEs. So proper utilization of funds was not done. Number 6. Poor managerial capabilities can be treated as a main cause behind the deteriorating economic conditions of PSEs. The lack of financial prudence and inadequate knowledge regarding how to run a financial institution made many office bearers of PSEs the reasons for negative outcomes. Next or last, credit cooperative failed to generate cooperative spirit among rural people Indian. Rural society was more or less semi feudal in character. A semi feudal society is not expected to possess cooperative spirit in it. Cooperative societies failed in inculcate the spirit and hence were treated as government. Directed government control, government financed enterprises, not an enterprise which is jointly directed, controlled and jointly financed by the rural people. So it was not their own enterprise as they could not identify with it. स्टूडेंट, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स को फेल होने का कारण, जो मेन कारण है वो है पुअर रिकवरी। बैड डेप्ट का इंक्रीज होना। जो प्राथमिकता सेवाएं हैं वो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में ना मिलना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोन देना और उसकी रिकवरी ना मिलना कम इंटरेस्ट पर। जैसे कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स एग्जिस्ट एन फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू द, ये 5 लेवल में होती है। एक तो प्राइमरी, सेंट्रल, स्टेट, लैंड डेवलप एंड अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स। प्राइमरी कोऑपरेटिव बैंक का मेन फोकस को ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में लोन देना और जो रूरल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ाना, रूरल एक्टिविटीज़ को एनकरेज करना। कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स principle is one shareholder has one vote. The rate of interest for deposit is usually high for loan and interest rate is lower. स्टूडेंट, आज हमने इसके डिसएडवांटेज के बारे में डिस्कस किया। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।